Good morning, students. So today we will discuss the portion positional logic. Okay. So I hope all of you read the previous class during the previous class. So today I am discussing the next portion of this one. So I am writing few note or few sign. One is this one. It is used for and means is work like an AND gate. The exact AND gate is this one. This one used for OR gate. This one used for NOT. These three things denoting these three things. Okay. Why I am using this I will tell you later on. And this one, the both side, or you can use single arrow this way, used for used for XNOR gate. XNOR gate. And another sign is present this way or single. This one indicate something else, not you cannot find this one as any other single gate. So this one meaning is, suppose A and B is present in your output, so A arrow B, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, this is the case. So when both are same we are writing 1, right? When both are same we write 1. But if you are using A arrow B, this time you are moving to B, so you write the value of B. This is the answer. So A arrow B showing this type of output. So why I am writing this one? So I will explain you that you get a formula or you get an expression, you need to solve it. So how you solve it I will tell you right now. Okay, listen it carefully. So here an expression is there that prove that the question is prove that P both side arrow Q is equal to P arrow Q dot Q arrow P. This is a question. Prove that P both side arrow Q is equal to P arrow Q dot Q arrow P. So how you solve this one? So for solving this one, first two values are present, P and Q, nothing else. So you write a combination of P and Q first. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is a combination, right? Now next we find this one left side value. So P both side arrow Q. P both side arrow Q means when both values are same. So 0 0 means 1, here 1, remaining we write 0. Both are not same. Okay. Now we find this one P arrow Q. So P arrow Q means both are same, we write 1 and we write the value of Q because we are moving to Q. So Q 1 0, so we put 1 0. Next we write this one Q arrow P, both are same, so first one and last one 1. Now we are moving to P, so we write the value of P 0 and 1, so we write 0 1. Now you can see this one dot this one, so P arrow Q dot Q arrow P. This one you can do one thing, you can write M is equal to and N is equal to, so you can write M dot N. Okay, so I have enough space, so I am writing it. So this is a dot, this means this is the AND gate. AND means when both values are 1 we write 1, otherwise 0, right? For AND gate we write when the value of A and B both are same, means 1, not 0. In 1 we write 1, otherwise we write 0. Here both are 1, so we can write 1. Here both are 1, we write 1. And here is 1 0, so we write 0. 1 0, we write 0. You can see this line and this line same, so we can write proved. So you can say P both side arrow Q is equal to P arrow Q dot Q arrow P. Okay, so this way you solve this portion. Okay, and one more thing, if this type of question coming to you, so how you solve it? If you get this type of expression that using truth table prove that P arrow Q is equivalent not Q arrow not P. Okay, so how we solve it? You can see we have two values P and Q, so simply write the combination of P and Q over here. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, after that we see the value of this one, so P arrow Q, so both are same, we write 1, both are same, we write 1. You can see value change, so we are moving to Q, so Q value is 1, so 1, Q value is 0, so 0. Now we have not P not Q, so we get not P and not Q. Not means opposite of P, value of P, and not Q means opposite of value of Q. So P is 0, we write 1, P is 0, we write 1, P1 0, P1 0. Not Q means 1 0 1 0. Now we find not Q arrow not P. Okay, now find the value. When both are same, see this time we consider these two, both are same, we write 1, both are same, we write 1. Now we moving to not P, value of not P is 1 0, we write 1 0. So you can see this and these both are same, we write proved. This way we solve these questions. Okay, so two types of question coming, this way or this way. Okay, these two are the possible coming to the question, and you need to remember few things, the meaning of few things. The four terms are present. Okay, first term is contingencies. Second one is tautologies. Third one is contradiction, and last one is consistent statement. Okay, now what's the meaning of this one? When a truth table, see we know this one called truth table, right? So when a truth table, the final output, suppose I'm considering this one is the final output. Okay, so final output values carrying both 0 and 1, both carrying, that time we can say the expression is continuous, okay, continuous expression, okay. And for tautology, when the truth table outputs all 1, we call the expression is tautology expression, okay. And last one is, third one is contradiction. In contradiction, when all the outputs are 0, then we call it contradiction. And last one is when two statements are consistent if and only if their conjunction is not a contradiction. Remember, I am writing the sentence for you. Two statements are consist if and only if their conjunction is not a contradiction. Means when two statements all are consistent, okay, all are consistent, you know the meaning of consistence, if and only if their conjunction means the combination is not a contradiction, means the outputs are not a 0, okay, not a 0, that time we can say the statement is consistent statement, okay. So you can get a question, you have an expression, after solving with the truth table you identify whether the statement is that which category out of these 4, which category the expression, okay. So you just justify the which one is effective, then you just write the name and you got the marks, okay. Now we learn 2 more things. First one is how to reduce the expression, okay, how to reduce the expression, okay. So I have an expression, or we can call it simplify, okay. Simplify. I have an expression, suppose f is equal to p bar plus q dot q bar plus r plus p bar plus q, and this is the whole bar, okay. If I tell you to solve this the expression, how we solve it? First we break this bar, help of De Morgan's law. In last video I will tell you, so you use the remember the De Morgan laws, different laws are present, so read it. So De Morgan law means a plus b whole bar means a bar plus dot b bar, bar split into 2 sides and the plus become dot and dot become plus. So here is dot is here, if I break it, so p bar plus q whole bar plus q bar plus r whole bar, and remaining are still same, p bar plus q. If I break this one, we can write p double bar dot q plus q double bar dot r plus p bar plus q. Double bar means p dot q bar, here r bar, plus q dot r bar plus p bar plus q. This is the expression. Okay, so q bar. Now from this expression, if I write this one becomes this side, so p bar plus p dot q bar plus q dot plus q bar dot r bar. If I write, so we can write from this expression p bar plus p bar plus q bar from the express rules, laws, r plus q, r plus r bar. Okay, so from here I can write is the value of 1, so 1 dot p bar plus q bar, and this one r plus q, and this one is 1 dot 1. So we can write p bar plus q bar plus r plus q. Okay, so from here we can write p bar plus q bar plus q plus r. This one means 1, so p bar plus 1 plus r. So we can write the formula a plus 1 is equal to 1, so we can write 1. So now the entire expression become, the value is 1. If you solve it through the truth table, so find the value of this one, you can get all are 1, the output all are 1, so you can say it, this expression is tautology expression. Okay, we can say this is the tautology expression. This type of expression you can get, you solve it, okay, this way. Or you can do one thing, we can write a different way. Suppose you have an expression f is equal to expression is present. Now if I tell you find f bar means complement of f bar means complement of f. Okay, so whatever the value of f, suppose the expression is present, do one thing, f bar is equal to, you write that expression and the whole expression become a bar, then you break that bar and use the same way, simplify the expression. Okay, this small things required, the remaining becomes same. Okay, I hope all of you understand. So if you having any doubt, you can ask me, there's no problem. So in my next video I will discuss with you the next portion, how to write the expression, how to solve the different things with the help of the different gates. Okay, so how to use the single NAND gate to get a NOR gate. Okay, now using NAND gate we draw the different basic gates, and using the NAND gate we get the basic gates, using NOR gate we get the basic gates. We learn these things in next video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my video for more, my channel for more videos. Thank you.